Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the infected machine. Unplug Ethernet and turn off Wi-Fi so the virus can't spread. Next, boot from trusted external media. Use a verified rescue USB or recovery ISO because the running OS may be compromised. While that boots, record which accounts, services, and the timestamp of the last known good backup so you know what to restore. Once the clean environment loads, make sure to keep the infected disk mounted read only to preserve evidence and prevent accidental writes. You now perform layered scanning. Run signature updates, then heuristic and rootkit scans to find stealthy components because different engines catch different threats. When detections appear, quarantine first, then delete confirmed malicious files and export logs plus file hashes so you can audit actions later. After file removal, inspect startup locations, services, scheduled tasks, drivers, and registry run keys, because persistent payloads hide there. Once you clear those entries, make sure to rebuild a clean boot sequence and rescan until you finish by restoring from a verified, pre-infected backup. If integrity is uncertain, perform a full OS reinstall to guarantee a clean state. After system restoration, change every affected password and enable multi-factor authentication, and rotate API keys or tokens because credentials are commonly exfiltrated. Once restored, apply all security patches, disable unused services, and set scheduled automated scans. Troubleshooting tip: if reinfection occurs, preserve a disk image and analyze persistence artifacts off-site.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.